Well, I almost forgot. This first load I got. That Farmall 300 parts. I got that Farmall 230. I just drained the water out of the oil pan. We'll see what happens to it. Then I got some Ford tractor tires. And a couple international power takeoffs, the crankshaft, and a John Deere part. I'll go get some more. Yeah, here's the second load I got. 2 big boxes full of parts. An old Fordson axle, front axle. W4 front axle. It's like a front axle off of some kind of utility Farmall. There's another one off some other kind of Farmall. And a little old Ford tractor, Ford Dexter. The guy said it run. We'll find out. Didn't get no back tires for it though. And I got a bunch of spare wheels in there and then one of them boxes. And let's see what else we got on here. Oh boy, a couple more front axles off old tractors. And just think, I'm gonna have to cut them in half to get rid of them. Oh well. Then I can get this tractor unloaded and do something with it maybe. Alright, time to unload this and go get some more. Yeah, here's my third load. I got 30 foot of pallet racks. 2 of them big heavy steel shelves. And 3 boxes full of parts. And I was looking at one of them boxes, says Ford 9N. I don't know, don't remember when I bid on that or if I did. Might have been. Well, anyhow, looking in there, it's got a bunch of parts in there I could use. Fix that old 9N out there in the field. So, look at there. Now we got more work to do. Oh, I got another box full on the truck. Alright. The worst trouble. I was over there. Yeah, the worst trouble. I was over there looking and I thought I had 4 tractors all of them. I got 6 more over there to get. I don't know how that happened, but I got 6 tractors and 3 cultivators to get yet. Maybe tomorrow. That's all for now. Yeah, here's another load I got. Just about full. You got a field cultivator, an old 4-row International cultivator, a 4-row John Deere cultivator, and a Woods belly mower. That's about enough for this load. Yeah, here's my next load. Farmall 300 utility with a loader and 2 boxes of junk. Now all I got left is them 5 F20s back here. Well, here's another load of junk. 3 F20s. Tried putting the 4th one on, it just wouldn't fit. So I got that 20 and that regular down there yet to get, then I'll be done. Oh boy, what am I going to do with all this stuff? Okay, better go home. Well, that one did not come out quite as I had planned. The other 2 come off alright. Oh well. I'll have to do something with it. Well, we got it all done. There's the last 2. A regular and a 20. More junk. Might even be a good piece or 2 on there somewhere. Hey, doggy. There, doggy been helping too. Yeah, I intend on fixing that one. Maybe not the loader, but at least the tractor. And there's a whole bunch of parts. Couple overdrives for some guys, and one guy wants to put brakes off one of them, and might be a good manifold or a carburetor to be rebuilt, but who knows. Got a decent pair of steel wheels there on that one. And just so much junk.